In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Tremendous account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is we need to open up Tremendous. So it is tremendous.com. Now, once we're here, you're going to notice on the top right hand corner, there's the option to sign up. So go ahead and click on to sign up. Now, on the next page here, we can go ahead and create an account. So we can create an account for completely free. Now we've got a couple of different ways how we can create one. We can put in our first full name, last name, our email, and then choose a strong password. With your password, you need to have one lowercase character, 8 to 40 characters, one symbol, one uppercase, and one number. Or we can go ahead and do the easy way, which is sign up with your Google account, which I'm going to do. So from here, click onto that, click onto a Google account. So I'm going to click onto Tutorial Wiz here. Then from here, this is going to create my account and sign me in at the same time. So as you see here, it's going to sign me in as well. So I'm going to click continue. Now it's going to load. Now it'll redirect back to Tremendous. And then if successful, it's going to create that account. But for some reason, it just came up there that I need a work email account, but I'm signing up using the method that they want me to do, which is quite strange. I think it just might be a glitch. So it says here, please enter a valid work email address. So sign up with Google. It's a Google email address. So I'm not sure what's happening there, but that's all right. We can come back here, and if that doesn't work, just put in your full name, email, your password, and then click continue. You're going to get a verification code sent to your Google or Gmail or email account. And then with that verification, come back, jot that in, and that's going to create that account for you.